video guys of trains at, and today we're at Watford Junction on the East Coast Mainline. Passing through first, looks like a London Northwestern Railway service and the new livery. We also have a London Overground service coming in also.
Hemel Hempstead, Berkhamsted and Tring. This train has 4 carriages.
Uh, 350-373 in the London Northwestern Railway livery there. I believe that was the first one in the new livery itself. So, well, let's see what shall turn up here at Watford Junction.
Please hold on to push
we have a Pendolino coming through.
And your belongings. Stand behind the yellow line.
On the service to London Euston. Departing now is the 1327 London Northwestern Railway service to Tring, formed a 35253. Passing 1 minute late. Even now, 1337 Virgin Trains West Coast service. This is the service to Coventry, formed as 390-001. Over on the far side we have 2 Class 66s. We have 66745 and 66736. So yeah, so just to come here at Watford Junction. Coming in now is the 1341 London Northwestern Railway service to Milton Keynes Central. Formed a 350-231. And also 352-38, as we have a passing service here on platform 6. Passing through now is a class 390 Pendolino on what I believe is cautionary signals due to the 1337 service. Didn't quite get the numbers of that one. I think it was 39145, but I didn't quite get it. (378-218) on the service to Southampton, I believe. (350-125). Passing through now is another class 390 Pendolino. Again on cautionary signals. (390-131). Passing through now is another class 390 Pendolino on the service to London Euston. 390013. Some great tones there from the driver. And we also have a London Overground service, which is 378255. Terminating in. Great tones again there by the Pendolino. As the overground slowly comes to a halt at its terminus. Just arrived in on platform 9, it's 377203 on the service to East Croydon. And we also have a passing Pendolino, but it's not going to be passing through very fast. This is believed to be the service from Chester. Formed 390141. The 377 service to East Croydon has also departed alongside the Pendolino. Three 77206 on the rear. Passing through on platform 6 and 7 are two Class 390 Pendolinos. This is the service to Birmingham New Street with a mustache. And also, oh, the other one's a bit further up. Seems to be a bit of a backlash of trains going into Euston at the minute. Three 390-002. And we also have Class 350. Once again in the new livery, which is 35234 from the service to train, and 35254. Passing through now is either a Voyager or a Super Voyager. Double pairing of Super Voyagers on the service to Glasgow Central. 221 Super Voyager, passing through to London Euston. And we also have a passing London North Western Railway service. 35247 on the service to Crewe, and also 35249 on the service to London Euston also. Even now is the 1401 London Overground service to London Euston. Formed as 378255. through now, looks to be a ECS movement of a 319, it looks like, in the old Thameslink colours. (319 215). Arriving in now is 350 129 on the service to Birmingham New Street. Great tone. Not quite sure what that was. Oh, it was class 350. Arriving in now is a terminate in London overground service from London Euston. Starts to get a bit drizzly here at Watford Junction. (378 219). So you're either seeing this in the Watford Junction video, or I might make a separate compilation of just London Overground trains I've seen throughout the day. So lucky you guys, I guess. 350 265 just arrived in from London Euston on the service to Northampton, and we've also got a pass-in service which is a 390 Pendolino on the service from Manchester Piccadilly. That is 390 117 there on the service to London Euston.
And your belongings.
The next train here on platform 6 will be passing through. I believe it will be a class 390 Pendolino, but now I say that, it'll probably be a Voyager. It'll be most likely be a Pendolino, and it is. This is the service to Glasgow Central. No, 350 128 there on the service to London Euston.
Customer information. If you're travelling over the Christmas period, 24th of December to 1st of January, please be aware that engineering...
That is the service to Manchester Piccadilly of the 1214 pass. This is where I'm going to end my video here at Watford Junction. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and comment down below for any station suggestions for the near future, and I'll get back to them as when I can. This is the 1421 London Overground service to London Euston, which I'll be getting to Wilson Junction, where I'll hopefully see some of the new liveried overground trains. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.